Good morning, all. Today I'm going to give you information on the portions minimized in the first language English by the Karnataka Board for the year 2020-21, starting from 4th standard to 8th standard. Those who are interested can go through the whole paper. Here in this video, I'm reading out only the portions that are deleted or minimized from each class. For class 4th, chapter that is unit 9 and unit 10 and the supplementary reading that is the Tooth Fairy, Obey Your Parents, I Can Draw Too are deleted. So unit 9 that is from Dr. Courtney's to Let Us Learn Something New are deleted from the 4th standard. But some of the grammars and exercises are retained even though the chapter is deleted, grammars are retained. So let me give you now the detail of the portions that is deleted or the contents that are deleted or minimized. See, up to unit 3 all are retained. The unit 4, Samir Sprints, from the exercise, let us write that is the 8th main and let us speak the 10th main is deleted or minimized, can be given as a homework. In the 5th unit, let us do that is the 4th main from the exercise is minimized. That means it can be given as homework. It is not needed to be discussed in the class. Next, from the 6th unit, let us learn new words. That is 2nd main from the exercise is minimized. From the 7th unit, the 5th main and the 7th main of the grammar or exercise is minimized. From the 8th unit, it is completely retained. 9th one is completely deleted. 10th one is completely deleted. That means from Dr. Courtney's, for all we have, trees are a lot like us, Timaka, trees are a lot like us, etc. are completely, this poem is deleted. Only concept can be learnt in the higher classes, so it is deleted. Next, for the 5th standard, the breeze course is completely minimized. That means no need to do the breeze course activities or the warm-up activities. Prose 1 is retained. Prose 2, the comprehension 1, 2, 3rd and 4th main is minimized. From the grateful tenant also, vocabulary 1, 2, 3, 4 and writing is minimized. From the prose 4, comprehension 2, 3 and writing 1, 2, 3 are minimized, can be given as homework. Next, from the prose 5th, the comprehension 1, 2 and fill in the table below using a tick mark is minimized. From prose 6, comprehension that is 2nd main and writing 1st vocabulary and 2nd vocabulary are minimized. Prose 7 is retained. Prose 8, lesson is deleted but the grammar is retained. All the grammars will come in the exam. Prose 9, challenged conqueror, comprehension 2 and writing 1 is minimized. Prose 10, moving pictures, this lesson is completely deleted. Next, poem 1, he did it is retained. Up to the poem 6 all are retained. Only the poem 7, the kitten at play, is deleted. Similarly, the poem 10, roadways, this poem is also completely deleted. Other the portions and the grammars can be discussed in the class. All other things are retained for 5th standard. For 6th standard, all the language skills are retained, but the prose 6 and poem 6, poem 7, supplementary unit 1 is deleted. That means nature's friend, the comet and the moon and the new flower is deleted. But the grammar portion of the prose 6, that is true hate, that is adjectives and comparatives and superlatives are retained. So those can come in the exam. Now for the 7th standard, the prose 8, the town by the sea, the poem 6, the poem 8, the supplementary unit 2 and unit 3 are deleted. That means the town by the sea, the road not taken, the conversions of twin, the dream and a day's wait is deleted. For the 8th standard, the prose 8, that is the woman on platform 8, poem 11, after apple picking, poem 15, The V's. Supplementary Unit 17, King Sinbad and his Falcon, and Supplementary 19, The Miser, is deleted. That means no questions will come from these chapters. Done. Go through these guidelines, and this is all about the guidelines planned by the Karnataka board.